This is a Clay Imports rock paper build swimming pool waterline tile. If you're not familiar with handmade pattern tiles, it can be a little tricky. So we're going to review some different design layouts and installation techniques. First of all, this is not a single tile. Even though it's a repeating pattern, it's made up of 2 different tiles. You can also install these independently to create a simpler pattern. 3 layouts side by side, naranjas, conectada, and then the combination of naranjas and conectada. Regardless of the installation layout, it's really important when installing any type of a connecting pattern or a band tile to make sure that the pattern connects. Making the pattern connecting a priority can result in the actual tile bodies not connecting. Even if the tiles bodies are not in line, pattern being connected will give you the appropriate finished look. It's very common when waterline tiles are being installed for the bottom line of the tile bodies to be as level as possible. When leveling the tile bodies, this could result in the pattern not connecting. And that happens because these are all made on handmade clay tile bodies, and they're hand painted. And as you can see from this beautiful installation, tile bodies are clearly out of line on the top and the bottom. The bottom, of course, is pretty concealed with the transition from the tile body to the plaster. But on the top, you can clearly see that bodies are out of line. The focus here was compromise, or the balance between the tile body and the pattern. Our tile bodies are out of line and our patterns are not perfectly connected. What we did was we balanced both. Though the recommended grout joint spacing for Clay Imports pool waterline tile is 1/4 inch, because the tile bodies are handmade, there's going to be variations in the size, even on the same vertical line. It might be a little more narrow on one side and a little wider on the other side. And lastly, regarding grout color, pattern like this where we have the band, we don't want this line right here to really stand out. We want that line to blend as much as possible so that the focus is on the intentional band.